all you've been doing with me for 1 whole hour is drive around everywhere with me. Huh? What's it supposed to be? Is this supposed to be a surprise? Huh? Is this supposed to be a Formula 1 stunt? What's going on here? And he's not answering. I hate to be treated like this. I hate to be treated like a piece of shit. What is going on here? Say something!
I love you, baby.
What? You must be mad. In fact, you're mad. You know what? Park this car! Pull over! I can't take this nonsense anymore. Pull over now, Lloyd. Pull over or I will jump out. Hey, you don't know me, oh. You don't know the person you married. Pull over or I will jump out of this car. And if anything happens to me, what kind of thing is this? Pull over now.
What is wrong, baby?
What is wrong? Today is our anniversary and it's boring. That's what's wrong.
Alright, I have a plan. Let's get to our destination. I'll sort it out.
No way. I am not going anywhere with you. You hear that? I'm not going anywhere until you do something. Do something for me. At least buy me a special cake, bags, shoes, jewelry, anything.
Alright, let's get to the mall.
You and who? I am not going anywhere. Yeah? Go and get it. I'll wait here for you. It's supposed to be a surprise and you want me to go to the mall with you to buy my surprise. Who does that? Go and buy it. I'll wait here with you or we'll sleep here. That's what you want, to sleep here. Can you imagine? How do they teach a man to surprise a woman? How? How do I teach you to surprise me? I should go with you to get a surprise for me. How then is it a surprise? Tell me.
So, what do you want me to do?
Would you get down and go and get me something? Something exciting? Then we can go to your so-called destination. Get me something first. Driving around with me like some kind of... I don't understand. Huh? If you want to drive... Come here. Don't stand there. Get his bag. Get it. Go and get him out of the car. Here you go.
Hey, aren't you coming inside?
I am going to work.
But I told Mr. Ayo to give you 1 more day.
I don't understand. I need money. I'm going to work. Okay? Besides, haven't I wasted enough time with you in the hospital?
And you don't have to sound that way.
I can sound however I want to sound. Do whatever I want to do. Shut my door! Sound however I want to sound.
You didn't cook anything? I thought you had cooked something. I'm very hungry.
Lloyd, why are you being so mean and inconsiderate? I go to work every day. I come back in the evening. But you, what do? You sit down here from morning to night and you can't enter the kitchen and cook up something for yourself? Are you too old to prepare something for yourself?
But you know I can't stand for too long.
Then sit down now. Sit down. Why do you like getting me upset, Lloyd? Why? I can't have peace in my own house. Excuse me. Go to work. Come back home. You can't have peace. Maybe I should stop coming back.
You're all set.
Where's the car key?
I thought we'll be having breakfast.
Is that why you've been calling me?
Baby, I only had fruit juice last night.
I'll order you some food. Where's the car key?
Well, let me show you something real quick.
And you can't wait till I get back?
How big is important, please? Come here.
The MD is coming today, okay? Oh. See you later, please. I would order you some food. Taye!
Ma?
Do I have to call you twice?
Sorry, ma.
I ordered food for my husband, so you pick it up by 8:30. Okay?
Yes, ma.
Right. Did you wash the car?
Yeah, hello. I have been here since. I haven't seen anyone. Okay. Okay. All right.
I thought you did already. No, I'm not joking. Yes. Listen, this assignment is very important. If you deliver, I'll buy you a car of your choice. Sounds good? Okay. Yeah, bye.
Sir, the food, madam, for that. Okay. You need any other thing, sir?
Yes. I needed to deliver this to somebody at Kent Mall. Guard this with your life. Put it in your pocket right now. You get there, she's called Kate. She's at the main door entrance waiting for you, okay? This is what she's expecting. But remind her to immediately reply to the email I sent to her to effect change on the letter I already sent to her, alright?
Yes, sir.
Put this in your pocket right now.
Sir,
Alright.
should I serve you the food?
Hurry, yeah?
Yeah, so you see this one, which you transfer it to the the company. They have the right to ownership of this, so you transfer it to, are you listening to me? Yes. You transfer it to them, and then you do. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
You must be the MD.
Where is my office?
Yeah, I'll just show you. Come on. Here you go.
I need all of you seated in the conference room before 8:45 a.m. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Muna Uzo?
I am, ma.
How long have you been working for us?
Last year, ma.
Last year?
Yes. I was awarded Staff of the Year last year ahead of my husband who's worked here for 10 years.
And you're already being promoted to a branch manager?
What?
The board decided to promote you to a branch manager. Congratulations.
I don't know. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I'll just get the bedroom ready.
Hold on. Did you say your husband works here too?
Yes, ma'am, but he's on leave now because of his accident.
So when is he expected to resume?
Next week, ma'am.
I asked because I won't be here for too long. And I will leave things in your hands till I return.
Yes, ma. There's no problem. I can lay him off work for the company to move forward.
It's your choice to make the best thing.
Yes, ma'am.
And remember, the target for this year is 1.7 billion naira.
Yes, ma'am. I'll meet the target.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You look very tired.
I should be. Had a hectic day.
I prepared something.
I have just been promoted to the position of the brand manager.
So what of Mr. Ayo?
Is that supposed to be congratulations or what?
I'm sorry. Congrats, but I'm just making sure there's no unhealthy rivalry at the office, that's all. Mr. Ayo has been there for what, 7, 8 years?
I don't operate on the same level or grace as Mr. Ayo or whatever.
I understand that. Hey, congratulations, Annie. Baby, you didn't bring my bag.
Go and get it yourself. I am late for work.
Good morning, sir. You're welcome.
Morning, Mabel. How are you?
Bye.
Mabel, where's my door locked?
Madam locked it.
Who's madam?
The branch manager.
You mean my wife? My door is locked.
Isn't it very clear?
Okay, is that what?
Someone more capable is taking up your position soon.
What is that supposed to mean? Is there MD in the office?
Yes.
Even on my sick bed at the hospital, I was still working for the company. How unfair can this be?
Mister?
Uzo.
Okay, Mr. Uzo, please, could you have a seat? Mona, is this your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think he's not fit to be in your team?
Ma, he's incapable. I need new brains and active line workers.
Just last week, I brought in 20 million naira. I brought into this company by myself alone. 20 million. You're talking about incapable.
Please don't talk too much. Please. Mona,
Yes, ma'am.
are you sure you don't want him in your team?
Ma, I want the best for this company. I'm ready to lay down my life just to move this company forward. I'm ready to lay off any worker that doesn't have the same spirit as me.
Oh. I am so sorry, Mr. Uzo. It's so unfortunate. You know, there's nothing I can do. She will make sure you get your interest and gratuity at the end of the month. What? There's nothing I can do. You can now leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Make sure you give the security strict instructions never to let Miss also into these premises again. Do you understand me?
Okay, ma'am.
If I see him here again, it's on you.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you doing, Mona? What exactly do you think you're doing? You know, I've used all my money to treat myself. When do you expect me to go from here?
Excuse me.
Lloyd? It's me!
Oh my God. Am I dreaming?
No!
A moon?
Yes, it's Moon!
When did you get out?
Last night, I told you our lights will never go dim. And why are you walking looking helpless?
I'm going home.
Why are you using a clutch?
I had an accident. Oh, I'm really surprised to see you.
Let me give you a lift. I'll help you.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Sure?
Yeah, I can do it by myself.
Right. Sorry. Oops. Sorry.
welcome. So after thinking about it, have you come to a conclusion?
Why are you being unnecessarily emotional? Huh? If you were in my shoes, you would do the same.
I sacrificed my promotion to get you a job in that company. Do you realize you're the reason I'm holding these stupid crutches?
Would you stop this emotional blackmail? Yes, you helped me to get a job, but aren't you my husband? Huh? Did I marry you to be jobless? Please excuse me.
All I see here is a very selfish and arrogant woman.
But how did Lloyd end up with such a woman?
Love, perhaps.
Love? I don't think so. I mean, if she can fire her husband, I wonder what she would do to a total stranger.
Huh. Come to think of it, I mean, giving her a new car and a personal driver, don't you think we should hold on a little bit?
No. I'll give her what's deserving for a branch manager.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can I please have some money? I need transportation to Port Harcourt.
What's happening in Port Harcourt?
I spoke to a friend of mine to get me a job in a small firm.
You spoke to a friend? So you now go about telling people that I fired you from the company?
You're not getting ridiculous. I didn't tell anybody you fired me. I didn't tell her anything like that.
Ha! Ha! Lloyd, so you want me to give you money to go to Port Harcourt to see your girlfriend, right? Listen, Lloyd, if you're tired of this marriage, why don't you say it so I can leave? I don't want to be infected with any deadly disease.
What are you even talking about? What are you talking about, Mona?
You know what? We would continue this discussion when I'm back. Port Harcourt.
Hey, Oga. Hey.
Put me up on the stairs. This way, this way, this way.
Sorry, sir.
Put me up. Put me on the stairs.
Get with you. Sorry. Sorry. You don't take your drugs. No, it's finished. Sorry.
Mona.
Hey.
Please, you need to take me to the hospital right now.
Madam. Oga dey die. Who carry am go hospital now?
Oga dey die. That's why I had to open the gate by myself. Are you not supposed to be at your duty post?
Sorry.
Get out here!
Oga, sorry.
Oga dey die. You left my whole gate and came here.
The pain is unbearable, please. From inside.
Why are you being such a drama king? Huh? You're whining to make me look like a bad person, right?
Where the car keys?
What's car keys?
There's no phone in the car, please.
What? Mona, please.
Please excuse me, I'm going out very soon.
Tired!
and break them.
Ah!
Hold on. Mr. Uzo, where are you going to?
To the hospital.
What is wrong with you?
I'm just in very severe pain. I think the surgery went wrong.
Come in, let me drop you. Why didn't your wife take you to the hospital? Come in, let me drop you. Let me fix.
What is it?
One woman they get the fine.
What woman is that?
The woman not too tall like that, she not too short. And she not get body, but she not slim. And she not fair. The same way she not black.
What is her name?
Kate. Kate.
Kate?
Yes.
Let her in. Yeah.
My dad say if you come now.
Is Mr. Uzo in?
No. You don't go hospital. This way, ma.
Thank you. Hi, Mona.
Hi, welcome, ma.
Thank you.
Welcome. What can I offer you, ma?
Don't worry. Don't bother.
Are you sure?
Of course.
I can
don't bother,
get you.
don't bother.
Alright, please sit down.
Thank you.
Ma, how did you find this place?
I got the address from your husband's application letter.
Oh, I see.
What about your husband?
He's fine. He's very fine.
I mean, where is he?
He's upstairs. He's been sleeping since morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope you're enjoying your new position.
Ma, it's the best thing that's ever happened to me. Yes. Yes, and I promise I'm going to make you proud. You'll be shocked at what I'll do within a very short time. Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, ma.
So, what really happened to your husband?
Ma, my husband was trying to impress me on our wedding anniversary and he ended up with a broken leg.
Wow.
Yes, the accident almost ruined his spinal cord. And I've spent all my savings.
So sorry
It's
about
terrible.
that. So sorry. We actually have a new position, we are considering bringing in.
You are?
Yes.
Ma, you don't have to bother. Oh. Yeah, you don't have to bother about it. See, my husband is a very jealous person. And two captains cannot be in the same ship. Just don't bother about him. When he gets better, I will just figure out what to do with him. It's not a problem.
Wow. Mona,
Huh?
do you still love him?
Let me be honest with you. His doctor confided in me and he said my husband will not be able to walk without his clutches for the rest of his life. I mean, man, look at me now. Am I not too young for this?
But he said true love never dies.
Yes, but some obstacles can kill the love.
Then it was never a true love. You see, the main shareholder in the company was in a coma for 13 months. And his lover never left his side. Not even for a day.
He was probably rich. I'm sure he was very rich and she knew it and she was doing it for the money. I'm sure she did it for the money.
Is that what you think?
To be honest with you, ma, I am considering a divorce.
Sorry, let me ask you this. Do you think if your husband was in your position, he would have done the same thing?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay. I'll take my leave now. So do me well to tell your husband I was here.
Just like that? Okay, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate this visit. Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Bye, and thank you.
Bye, ma.
What do you want? What do you want, Lloyd? Where have you been? Where have you been since yesterday?
I was at the hospital.
Hospital. Ha! Liar! You went to see your girlfriend, right?
Mona, please don't start. Dad gave me very strong painkillers and a sleeping tablet. I really need to sleep right now.
You need to sleep. Where? Listen to me, let me tell you something. If you don't tell me where you spent the night last night, you will not sleep in this house. Did you hear me? You will not sleep in this house. So better start talking.
Please, will you stop all this?
Stop talking or you go back to where you're coming from.
Open the door.
Look at this man. You don't know me, oh. You don't know who you're dealing with. Are you ready to talk or not?
Mona. So you slept comfortably, knowing very well I was out in the cold.
So are you ready to tell me where you slept and who you slept with?
Let us come over.
Madam, God don't do a person don't buy you better current motor.
What are you talking about?
Better clean car in the outside.
Out.
Yes.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. This is for you.
Your new ride?
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. My
Not
God.
just me, you have the board of trustees to thank as well.
I really need to meet them and thank them.
Of course you will. Enjoy your new ride.
Thank you. But I. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Can I hug you? Thank you. Thank you.
Baby, why did you lock the kitchen? I was thirsty, I couldn't go in. I was hungry, I couldn't get anything to eat. Why would you lock the kitchen?
Well, you would not have access to my kitchen until you tell me where you slept 2 days ago. I mean, I can't feed you when you have a woman outside. It's not possible.
What on earth are you talking about? Why would you even think I'm sleeping with someone?
Why won't you sleep with someone? Are you not a man?
Well, that is ridiculous.
Well, I don't even know why I'm standing here wasting my time with you when the court will do that on my behalf.
What has a court got to do with this?
You find out when the time is right.
Hello? What is this?
Open it.
Baby, you can't be serious with this divorce.
Of course you know I'm dead serious.
Alright, can we at least just talk about this?
There is nothing to talk about, Lloyd. As the new branch manager of Linko Group, I need time to concentrate on my new task. So as you no longer work for Linko Group, you should get ready to vacate this house soon. I'm done here.
When I wish I could find the right words, but I just need it. Listen, please. Please.
Lloyd, now listen to me. Let me state this very clearly. There's no amount of begging, pleading, or even crying that can make me change my mind. Because my mind is already made up. I cannot be in a marriage that I no longer enjoy.
Alright, give me some time. Just give me some time. Let me find a place and let me find a job.
No. Listen, you know this is the company's house. So as long as we are no longer together, living together is a big no. Listen, if you don't have anywhere to go, I suggest you go back to your kinsmen in the village. Good night.
What?
Yeah, so I had to move this one to Primark's company because actually they pitched first. So, yeah, and it's more interest. You have to follow me here. This is an office and not a love garden.
Ma'am, please talk to her for me.
What is the problem? Mona!
She wants to end the marriage.
What? Mona?
And I've done nothing.
Ma, please, I don't want to talk about this.
Can you please sit?
I don't want to lose my wife.
Mona, can you give him a second chance?
No, I can't.
Please. I really don't know what I'm going to do without you. I don't know where I'm going to be. I don't know how I'm going to wind up. Please.
Well, I, on the other hand, can definitely conquer the world without you. So I am no longer interested in it. Why don't you take it as a man and just leave me alone? Now, please, I have work to do. Can you sit? Please?
I think you should give her some time. She might reconsider.
Oga, welcome, sir. Sorry, Sorry, sir.
Do you want to break my door?
I said you brought these things out. What's going on?
Well, as you can see, the company has given this place to me as the new branch manager. So I want to start my life afresh.
That is ridiculous. Honestly, where do you expect it to come?
To your concubine.
Mona, remember, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be in this condition. You brought this upon me because of your stubbornness.
Look who wants to remind me that he forgot our wedding anniversary. Go ahead and remind me. Charlie!
Ma?
Take his things and throw them outside. Throw him outside. Are you deaf? Are you deaf?
It's really funny how you suddenly just forget, isn't it?
I don't ever want to see you in this place again, or I would lock you up. Now, Taye, take his things. Take him out of this place. Did you hear me?
What else? Don't tell Ayo that Mona is my fiancé. I don't want her to feel the interview.
Okay, I'll do just that. You're a good man.
Thank you.
Don't mention.
What is going on, Ma?
This might be the end of the road for us.
I don't understand.
The Lebanese company we borrowed money from to build the company has sued us for not paying their agreed interest on the MOU for 10 years.
What? How could the company have forgotten?
We probably thought the 5% they took covered the loan.
Oh, I blame Mr. Ayomide for this. How could he be so careless?
Please, Mona, please. This is not the right time to start apportioning blames on anyone. Please.
Okay. Ma, We can fix this, okay? I believe in my team. I trust my team. All you need to just give us 4 weeks. We'll fix this. I promise you, we'll fix it.
Muna?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think we can.
Why?
We are talking about $1 million to be paid up in 3 days.
What?
It's as bad as that.
$1 million?
Yes.
Hey! God!
The worst part is we have to put off the company's properties, including this building, for sale, just to raise money.
Ma, why does it have to happen at this time? Why?
We just need to face reality. That is it. Call me the accountant, please.
Okay. Hey. Okay.
Hey.
Excuse me, ma. There's something I want to tell you.
That can wait.
Excuse me, ma. This will change a lot of things.
You deaf? I said that can wait. What's your problem?
Good afternoon, sir.
And what are you doing here? I thought I asked you to leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's over means it's over. I can never go back to my vomit.
But I'm not here to see you. I'm here to see the MD.
You can't see her.
Why not?
Are you deaf? I said you cannot see her. Now if you don't get out, I'll call the security to throw you out.
All I'm asking is why can't I see her? Is she in Mabel?
Yes, please.
Are you stupid? Didn't you hear me? I said you cannot see her. You and Ayomide have put her in a mood to take her a century to get out of. Now get out. Get out before I call the security on you. Move!
Madam, please.
If you... Get out. You don't know why you're here, right? Rubbish. Is that not tight? Sai! What's going on here? Why are things outside?
The carry soldier come throw me come on.
Soldier? What soldier?
Nah.
What soldier?
Nah, some Oyibo people. Be a Lebanese.
What are you saying? What Oyibo people is he talking about? Threw my things outside?
They lock the gate.
Get me my car key. Get me my phone. What's going on here? Threw my things outside and you didn't call me. There's something wrong with you. Get me my phone. Would you hurry up? Phone.
Muna!
What do you mean?
Let me have the car key.
Ma, please. Ma, please, what is going on? What's going on?
Didn't he tell you everything belongs to the company, including the car? And it's been sold out to sort out the company's debt.
Hey. Okay, Ma, please, can I at least go in and get my
No, you
husband's
can't.
car?
Please. Take the car to Paris. Just now.
Ma, this is now. This is a bit too sudden, like...
Hey. Madam, where we won't go now?
If I slap you! If I slap you! Ma, we can talk this over! Excuse me, ma. Hello? Can I at least go? Ma? Ma, can we...
Madam, where we won't go now?
If you talk to me, I'll break your head! No, you won't go.
Done.
For real?
For real.
Oh, that's good news!
Uh-huh.
Nat, get us glasses.
No, not be me again.
I trust you.
Mona,
Good afternoon.
what is it? Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm not fine, ma.
I'm
not fine. I've been searching for a job since that time, but nobody wants to employ me. I don't know what's going on. I used all my savings to start a jewelry business and everything just went down the drain. Ma, please. I don't know.
Hey, yeah. So sorry about that. Just keep on searching. Maybe one day God will answer you.
Hey, ma, when? When will God answer me now? Wait, ma, please, can you use your influence to get me a job? Please, please.
Ha! Mona, I don't think you will like the kind of job I have at the moment. You know, one of the board directors is actually looking for a chef. Chef, can you do it?
I can do it. I can do anything. I would do it, ma. I would do it, please.
Mona.
I would do it.
You?
I would do it. I would do it. Please.
Okay. I will speak with her.
Hi, thank you.
So if she agrees, I'll get back to you.
Thank you, ma, for wiping my tears.
I am actually rushing to get... which side are you going to?
Can I join you to the gate?
No problem. Hop in. Okay.
Sandra, back is the one. Back! Yes, ma'am. That's here. I knew it. It's you.
Oh, wow, Mona.
I was wrong when I thought you were in a better place. I was wrong when I thought we shouldn't have separated. I thought by now you would have fixed your miserable life.
So, how have you been?
As you can see, I've been good. Or did you wish the worst for me? I make good choices and good things come to me.
Well, I pray more good things come.
Take me out of here.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Hey,
What's that?
this place is so beautiful.
The boss loves the things.
Wow, I can see. I can't wait to meet her and get this job.
Of course, the job is yours already.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Without you, my enemies would have laughed at me.
Oh,
It's true. Thank you. I'm grateful.
Nat,
Ma'am?
get the rent ready.
Yes, ma'am.
I am coming with you.
Hey.
Mona, have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. The boss will soon be with you.
Thank you.
It's very surprising because this angel is very clean. How long have you been doing this job?
Since 4 years. Everything I worked for this year, I put it to the repairs of this car.
That's very sad. What bank do you use?
My account number is 21.
What bank?
Okay, bank, Success Bank, sir.
What's the number?
21332 589. Success Bank. Oh.
I just sent 10 million.
Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Your duty is to make that money 8 times.
Okay, I will.
Flip it over 8 times.
Okay, sir.
So the next time I see you, I want to see with a fleet of these.
Okay.
Not this 4-year-old one, okay?
Thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate it.
God bless us all. Get a mechanic.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You're the girl?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sit.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Muna.
Moon what?
Munachi. Muna.
Oh. Okay.
Yes,
I hope Kate told you everything you need to know about saving here.
yes, ma. She told me everything. Ma, I can even double as your PA. I have a big loan on my neck.
What loan?
A company I used to work for, very unserious company. They almost killed my dreams.
Explain.
Ma, okay. The MDs of the company borrowed 50% of its capital from a foreigner to run the company. How can they be so unserious? Ma, sorry, I don't want to bore you with the details.
I see.
Yes, ma.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Interesting.
Yes, ma.
Then I'll double your pay. Yes. You clean? I don't like that. So you have to be particular while cleaning.
Yes, ma.
You cook? I also don't repeat food. And most importantly, I take just fresh juice. Alright?
Ma, in that case, you don't have a problem. I actually had a fruit juice shop years back. Yes, I did. I can even make some for you to try, if you don't mind.
Sure. The kitchen is over there.
Okay, ma.
Right.
I'll make some for you to try. Very cold. Okay, ma.
Young sir.
Where's Kate?
She went to the airport to pick up a parcel.
Huh?
Didn't get it, sir?
It's fine.
Let's see.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
Where have you been? I've been calling you.
So sorry, baby. My phone was charging in the car. Don't get too close. I smell like a mechanic and I'm sweaty. Babe, that looks good. Get me a glass. Okay, I'll take a quick shower. I'll be right back.
Yeah, when you're back. Babe, the chef is here now.
What?
The chef. She's around. The new chef.
Oh, okay.
Hurry up. What did you make?
Dinner is served. I made moi and grilled fish. Yes.
Sure?
Yes. Okay, ma. Let me get your juice.
Okay.
Thank you.
What are we having for dinner?
Moi and fish. I'll ask the chef to dish yours.
Well, this looks really good, but more at night for me is going to mess me up completely. Yeah?
You can have just fish. I'll tell her to make.
Let me get my green tea on that.
Okay.
Tastes good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, Mona. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Yeah. Mona, the laundry guy will be coming soon. Please open the door for him,
Yes,
alright?
But ma, won't you eat your breakfast? When you have a breakfast, you won't get cold.
I'll come back soon.
Soon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Ma, you look very pretty.
Thank you. I heard that.
Lloyd! What are you doing? What are you doing here? And you even see the laundry guy. The laundry guy. I knew it. Ordinary. And you're drinking my madam's drink. Who's that you? Get up, relax, I'm talking to you. You're staring at me like a moron. Get up!
Sir,
Which
Chief is there to see, sir.
I'm fine. Yeah, I do not need to wait any longer. Lloyd, I must say a very big thank you for the contract.
Oh, Chief, it's okay.
I wasn't expecting such huge amount, 200 million. You are a good man.
Chief, I will look forward to more contracts in the future, so...
You see, what would I have done without your company?
It's okay, Chief.
See, we would like to invite you for lunch tomorrow.
Oh, that'll be wonderful. I'll be there. Chief, sir, let's have some wine.
Wow, I will come back for that later. I need to quickly rush down to the site. Thank you very much.
Good job, Chief. Good job.
Thank you very much.
Sir, we are ready for the deal. I need to sign the email.
This How do you sit in?
No, let's wait.
Kate. Please, what's going on? What is going on where? I just heard Lloyd signed a multi-billionaire contract with Chief Okibo. Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Oh, now if you are smart enough, you will see the handwriting boldly written on the wall. Lloyd is the Chief Executive Officer of Lincoln Groups.
Oh, Jesus. Hey! How did it happen? How?
Come on, he was never poor. The whole thing was scripted.
I'm seeing a completely new side to this woman I'm married. She wants everything. I'm still not too sure about her. I'm still observing, but so far,
I still think you should have waited for Moon. She loves you.
That is a 12-year jail term, Kate. 12-year jail term. I'm getting old. My parents are on my neck.
Okay. What do you want me to do for you now?
First of all, I don't want it to know the owner of Lingo Group. I already set it up. I spoke to the workers. They're ready to cooperate.
Okay. If that is what you want, why am I not to obey my boss? He was right. You never loved him.
I loved him. I love him. I was just frustrated.
Longuinus, have you forgotten you told me in your house that love died?
I was just frustrated. Hey, I love him.
Any more questions?
Well, how come he never told me? You my friend.
I was only doing my job, Muna. Excuse me.
No, babe, don't change it.
Please, this is so boring.
It's not boring. I'm enjoying the show. Babe.
Yeah?
When was the last time you told me you love me?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
I'm sorry.
But I can't remember. For real, stop laughing. Tell me.
Tell you what?
I love you.
I love you too.
For real? I said I love you, not love you too. You're so corny.
So beautiful.
That's fine, thank you. Why? Want your juice? Or later? Okay.
My love, I'm sorry. I want you to look into my eyes and see love. Look into my eyes and see the woman you fell in love with. And see the woman of your dreams. I'm sorry. Just look into my eyes and see true happiness.
Excuse me, ma. There's something I want to tell you.
That can wait.
Excuse me, ma. This will change a lot of things.
You deaf? I said that can wait. What's your problem?
Good afternoon, sir.
And what are you doing here? I thought I asked you to leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's over means it's over. I can never go back to my vomit.
But I'm not here to see you. I'm here to see the MD.
You can't see her.
Why not?
Are you deaf? I said you cannot see her. Now if you don't get out, I'll call the security to throw you out.
All I'm asking is why can't I see her? Is she in Mabel?
Yes, please.
Are you stupid? Didn't you hear me? I said you cannot see her. You and Ayomide have put her in a mood to take her a century to get out of. Now get out. Get out before I call the security on you. Move!
Madam, please.
If you... Get out. You don't know why you're here, right? Rubbish. Please, give me one more chance. I promise I won't blow it. Because I I still love you. I'm sure you can feel the love, right? You can feel it, right? Because I can feel it too. I'm sorry. I still love you. Lloyd, forgive me. Forgive me, please. I still love you. I'm sorry. Lloyd. 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 Please. I still love you. I still love you.
Well, I feel like my legs are bigger than yours. No? I can see. Right? I do? Yeah, I feel like it is. I don't get that. Ah, no, I was resting. I had like a long bruise. Yeah, sure. Just, that's the way you need to try. Is it that bad? You don't like this one?
First of all, I want to thank you all for coming. And I also want to thank you for all the roles you played to make this a success. For me to make the right decision. I am very big on choosing life partners. And I believe even if one foot is already in, you still have the opportunity to test if that must be the right one for you till the end. So I want to say a big thank you. And let's enjoy.
Boss,
Thank you, sir.
boss. You know, it is only a bad friend that will allow a good man wallow in pain.
Thank you so much, sir, for all you've done for me. I really appreciate. I remember when my father died, you carried it upon yourself to make it a huge success. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Do you have anything to say?
Jesus!
You guys look at your phones.
Oh, Kendemena.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, God. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
This one too plenty now. What I want to do? Hey!
Boss. I know as long as I am around you, beautiful and pleasant surprises will keep coming my way.
Sure.
Boss, thank you.
Thank you.
I give you 100. You don't know person. I feel take more. They trigger me.
Take the whole bottle.
Take the bottle. God will bless you.
Hey.
Anything what you do will go up.
Amen.
You knew about this. Why didn't you tell me? Why?
The day I wanted to tell you, you said you had other important things to do.
But you could have just said it. You could have said something. I don't even know what to do right now.
You were the branch manager and nobody else mattered. I have to go now.
Honey, I can't hold it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I treated you. I had no right to treat you the way I did. I was foolish, I was stupid, and I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Give me one last chance. I miss you. Can't you see? I'm dying inside. Like, I love you. Please forgive me.
I'm so sorry. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. I missed you.
Interesting. Why didn't you tell me you had another script? I would have backed out. Why make me fall in love with you again? Why?
Amon, stop.
Stop. So, you still love her?
She's my wife.
Your wife? Where was she when you were going through hell? Where was she when the whole world turned their back on you? Where was she when I was helping you build the company? You were in coma and I stood by you. That's love.
But I know exactly what I want. I'm sorry, Maud.
You're sorry. Very well then. Enjoy. But when she strikes again, don't get me involved.
You in coma? You? Anyways, honey, thank you. Thank you. I promise you, I will never let you down. I will be your rock all the days of your life. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Wait. Honey, that's my bag. That's my bag. I know, honey. Oh! Honey!
Take your things and get lost.
Nat! Nat! Honey! Honey!
See how to be
No.
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Let me beg him. Nat, wait. Let me beg him. He's inside. Wait, okay, wait, let me call him. Let me call him. Honey! Nat, I was good to you. I was good to you. Nat,
All hail the drama.
You know, she really thinks she can cut her cake and have it. It's ridiculous. Listen, babe. Good radiance to bad rubbish, right? Let's go upstairs. What?
It's time.
Time for what?
To do the right thing.
Lloyd. Listen. I love you. But I think you should go back to Mona. She has realized her mistake. Yes, I don't know. I feel like you both can be together.
Oh, what are you talking about, Mom?
For real.
Stop.
not go there and propose again.
You got me.
I know.
Moon?
Yes.
Will you marry me?
Sure.